it up for us, show us how to integrate it, and
Sure.
then show us what the backend needs to look like. And there's like 6 different hooks. We already have those backends served up on our website,
Right.
so we can just make sure the format is compatible with what you need, or make an endpoint for the Lex bot, that would work depending on what you need. So that's pretty much it. But if this works, I think I want to expand it. I like to connect it to Twilio, to Facebook Messenger, to whatever else people might
That's
want to get a
possible.
customer.
Yeah.
Yeah, just and even have it as a voice response thing, so that people can get help by phone, so we don't have to have so many customer service
Right on.
calls that have to be answered by people. So yeah, just I think it's a good system. I just need somebody who knows how to work with it, to set it up for me and work with me to expand it over time. So
Yeah.
um, yeah, and so I guess, is this something that you can do for
Yeah,
websites?
sure. Amazon Lex has been around for at least 4 years now, and then
Uh huh.
people
Yeah.
usually use Lex because of its integrations with Amazon. But
Mm-hmm.
it's definitely not the best in terms of NLP. I think a dialect flow is the mainstream. Like if you want to go for a AI artificial intelligence powered chatbot, people would tend to use dialect flow because they have just a lot more dev team and research on it.
Mm-hmm.
And but definitely, if you're looking for a chatbot that can help you sell or do customer support for your e-commerce website, definitely Amazon Lex is a good option.
Mm-hmm.
What we can do is, yeah, definitely we can integrate Amazon Lex to your existing e-commerce website,
Mm-hmm.
and create, like you mentioned about webhooks, right? So we can definitely integrate Lex with different APIs as long as it's HTTPS REST API, and then we can definitely make it function as either a Q&A chatbot or a sales chatbot, or even like a chatbot that can process refunds or place
Mm-hmm.
orders
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, a quick question about dialogue flow. I do know their language recognition is better,
Yeah.
but how, I guess, to even deploy it on the website, it seemed like you have to go through another service. They don't just offer like a JavaScript plugin that can deploy dialogue flow, or is that true?
Yeah, usually when you use Dialogflow, you would have to like set up a Google Console GCP,
Mm-hmm.
and that basically serves as a kind of like a medium or a server or hosting thing to to host your bot.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, yeah, you definitely have to set up a Google Cloud account to go in hand with
Well, I
the
have that.
Dialogflow.
I mean, I
Yeah,
do use Google GCP
yeah,
a lot less than Amazon, but I use it for like their image recognition stuff. And
yeah.
yeah, so we do use. So if I guess somebody told me you needed to go through a intermediate service, like
Well, yeah,
I don't.
Dialogflow is more like an NLP engine. So
Yeah.
you can integrate Dialogflow to like WhatsApp, your website,
Mm-hmm.
and different even Facebook Messenger. So it's actually more of a NLP engine, uh,
Okay.
and less of a chatbot design platform.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. So, I mean, I think like if you look on the Amazon website, I mean, they have their own support framework, and so basically you click on it, and then it says, "Do you want help?" And that's how we're thinking of setting it up. Just basically asking people, "Do you need help with an order? Do you have a question about a product?"
Yeah.
Um, Things like that, and then just taking the user to those things. And I think that's so. It seems like that's something Lex could do, and it would be easier to integrate this with our website. It would be easier to integrate it with Amazon Connect, right, and the phone system that we have,
Oh yeah, for
because the
sure.
agents are on Amazon Connect. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, I think we don't. need as much natural language right now, maybe later.
Okay. Okay,
Um,
dokes. Yeah. Okay.
so, what do you think is the scope we're talking? Like, how much time would it take for you to set this up for us?
I had a look at your documentation. It's pretty straightforward. If you're looking for like a basic functional chatbot, not more than a month. Yeah, 1 month max. Um,
Okay.
and then
So,
yeah,
okay, meaning
it,
1 month
it can
max.
range. The chatbot can range from $500 to 2,500. It all depends
Uh-huh.
on the complexity of the chatbot. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, Lex, you can definitely train the NLP, but that
Mm-hmm.
takes time, so that's additional cost. But basically, like a no frills chatbot, you're looking at about 250, but to align to with your requirements, definitely we need to do some coding to customize your chatbot. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That sounds reasonable. So, would I give you a user access through the Amazon IAM so that you could access
Yeah,
the
sure.
chatbot on our account
Yeah.
and start setting it up? I mean, I think right now we can start a contract with you,
Okay.
and then if you can, so I'll start the contract, and then I guess I'll um, I'll try to set you up through the IAM. But if you have any problems accessing it, then you can let me know. I guess it's basically